Okay, so since the Quicks project is done, been playing a lot of Quicks, suck at it. But so I really needed to get dialed in here with being able to work on monitors, fix monitors, test monitors, and I've been really deficient in that until now. So I built this today, right? This is a monitor power supply, specifically just for powering up a monitor. Now it's very similar to what some of my machines have in them as well, save it doesn't actually have an on-off switch wired up to it or anything like that. We just plug it in and it turns on. So unplug it, it turns off. Real simple. But, basic salvaged cord. You've got your black, you got your white, sometimes they're blue, and you got your green. Green's always your neutral. You got your line filter right here. Now, do you really need that? I don't know, but, you don't hurt nothing. You got your 3-amp fuse. Everything's there. Your white's your neutral. It goes over this side. It's real easy to keep track of it because you just keep all the colors in line, okay? Very simple. And of course, we've got this is just a Mark 1, arcade shop, wherever, eBay isolation transformer. Goes in the bottom, comes out the top, and, it's got the Mark 1 semi-universal plug. And this, for illustration purposes, is a G07. I just put that chassis back in. That's a chassis that Arcade Richard fixed. And, you just plug that bad boy, you plug those two bad boys together. And I just did it here a minute ago, but I need 3 hands or 4 to do it to show you, but just trust me. Plug that baby in, and it fires up. I turn the fly back up. It gets full deflection. Of course, there's no video signal to it. That's the next step of this project is we're going to put I'm probably just going to get a test pattern generator, and, that's the easiest thing to do. And then we can, test them. But this thing has full deflection and everything, looks normal. When you turn the fly back up, you can see all the scan lines. And so, I know this is a working monitor. It's got raster. When you plug it in, you can hear the static electricity. You can hear it fire up, makes that telltale sound, which really makes me happy. And there it is. So, that's a good deal right there. Now, as you can see, that's another G07 chassis right there that needs to be fixed. And got a parts order going. It needs some love. The flyback on that thing blew. I mean, like, it was shooting fire out the side of it, people. It wasn't good. It filled the whole room full of smoke. That's another story. This is a 4900 right here that has vertical collapse. And, we're working on that too. Check this out. Here's the tube that thing was in. And when it collapsed, the person that had it just left it on. And look what it did. It ruined it. I'm going to, fire it back up and see if it, is even maybe sort of usable. But, gosh, that's some badass screen burn there, people. That's bad. Check this out. This is a premium. Look how clean this is. This is a totally working. There's the neck board, the remote board, whatever deal. This is a real sexy tube. Look how dark that screen is. It's really sexy. I don't know what I'm going to do with that. I paid some big dollars for that to have a good one around. So we have to do something super cool with it. Haven't decided what. It's got to be super cool, though. So anyway, yeah, we'll get this 4900 chassis. We're going to fix that. And G07 chassis, we're going to fix that. So we got an extra one ready to go. This one should be good to go. We just tested it. Everything looks like it's working as advertised. So that's kick-ass. There's our rig right there. It's real simple. and pretty happy with it. Turned out good. It was really easy to make. It's fun to make. Practice some of my soldering on there. I use some plugs here, you know, but I soldered there because, you know, sometimes it's just, I'm getting better at soldering. I'm getting, you know, I'm fair to middling at it. Pretty confident, you know. So yeah, good times. So yeah, there you go. So we'll play with that some more later, and you know, it's a handy little gizmo here. We're gonna fix some monitors, and we're gonna get into that. And I'm gonna learn how to do it, super high speed, low drag. So I want to be able to fix like any monitor, anytime, anywhere, without even having to think about it. That's my goal. So okay, good times. Thanks for coming along, and yeah, this will be exciting. So we'll play with this more later. Have a good one.